Groundbreaking for the long-awaited Caymanas Special Economic Zone is projected to take place by the end of April 2025. This will pave the way for the undertaking of infrastructure works and the build-out of the first 30 acres.
We have gone past talk, we have done the work, and we are now ready to break ground and start construction.
Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness says the 7,000-acre Caymanas Special Economic Zone project is a key pillar of the logistics vision beyond the Port of Kingston and lands in the immediate vicinity of the port.
The Caymanas Special Economic Zone is set to transform Jamaica's logistics and manufacturing sectors, attracting global investment and creating thousands of jobs. To catalyze the project, the Port Authority has been tasked with land preparation to address climate change risks, including flooding, bringing basic infrastructure and utilities to the site, creating direct transportation linkages to the container terminal, as well as constructing pre-built space for investors who would wish to come to Jamaica but would rather lease facilities.
The Prime Minister highlights that detailed engineering designs have been completed, the tendering process for the first phase of land preparation and infrastructure works is completed, and all the necessary approvals are in place.